So you're Tails.
Yeah.
I'm here to kill you before anything happens to Toby Uchiha being attacked again.
What are you talking about?
Don't lie, Tails, cause I saw Marker talking to you about this war.
Oh yes, the war.
Now then, since you know what I'm talking about, then I juice this is where you died, Tails.
I don't think so.
We will see about that.
Bring it on.
This should be fun. Is that all you got? It's over, Tails, you lost. What the fuck is this bullshit?
It's a hologram.
How about a bonus?
Tails, get over here right now.
What is it?
Tupac is alive, he never left us. Tupac ain't dead, he's rapping at Coachella.